Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to tell you how to reset a Wix website. So if you're working on a Wix website and if you find the need to reset it, for example, let's just go here and let's see this website that we're working on. It's going to take some time to load up. Just give this a second. And here you go. So you can see right here that this is the website that I'm working on. Now, for example, if I need to reset it and start over again, then what do I need to do? I need to go here on this dashboard or home page, and then we can click here on settings. Once when you click here, we can come down and click here on the website settings. So we're going to open website settings and go down at the bottom, and here on site history, we can view and restore previous versions of the site. So we're going to click here on restore version. Now here you can see that these are all the previous versions of my websites that I have edited, that I have saved again and again. I've changed some things on this website. So I've been working on this website since January 29, and here is the last edit on May 7th. So for example, if we let me just close this first. So for example, if we find the need to view it, we can click here and view this version. Like this was the first version of my website, and maybe it's empty. Let's see this one. Okay, let's see this one. It's actually not empty. It's taking some time to upload this version. Obviously, here you go. You can see it took some time, but it's right here. So you can go back and check this one. It's gonna pop up soon. But we can check the older versions through here, and then if we want, we can just click on restore. And before restoring, close any other tabs while you're editing the site and check that nobody else is currently editing it. So if we click on restore, then it's gonna restore it to the older version. So this was actually the first ever version of my website. So that's how you reset a Wix website. So I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.